Let it run, sir. Let it run. Let it run.
Static Nick is in the building. Y'all, today, y'all, we back again with another banger video. And y'all, today, we got something special, okay? Another Stop the Static video, first and foremost, okay? Y'all, today we are here at the one and only, okay? Brimo Fab shop, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. It's looking good. Okay, y'all, he is driving the Cadillac because his gas tank is broken in the Lexus, okay? But y'all, we are here at Brimo Fabrication and Welding, okay? But y'all, today, y'all, we are getting something done today to the car. We got the coilovers installed. If y'all have not gone to go see that video, y'all make sure y'all do. Once we got the coilovers installed, y'all, we had another issue, okay? There was some movement under the car, okay? Let me show y'all real quick. All right, so y'all, the problem is, y'all, the hangers are broken for the exhaust, okay? So today we are here at Brimo Fab, okay? Y'all already know him for the past few videos. Y'all, he worked on my car, whatever, okay? We are getting some exhaust work done today. We're gonna get that situated and get that put back up, that exhaust, so it doesn't swing anymore like how it is. We're also going to be installing a blast pipe, okay? So the blast pipe will be getting installed as well. So we're getting two things done today, okay? So we're gonna make sure we get that exhaust back safe, not dangling anymore. And then we also are going to get that exhaust, that blast pipe put on the end, okay? Y'all, if y'all ain't already subscribed, y'all already know what to do. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and your family. Let's get right into this video.
Let it run, sir. Let it run. Let it run.
So a quick little update. He did go under the car and kind of take everything out from all the way, as y'all can see, right about here. Okay, going all the way up with it. See that coilover? We did get some new coilovers installed. But you guys, this is the muffler. Okay, right where. Look at this. Come on, you guys. Come on, bro. Lock in. But you guys, if you guys haven't seen already, we'll be putting and installing. Hold on. So we'll be putting. Forgot to show you guys in the intro. We'll be putting this in this blast pipe. Okay, as y'all can see, got the slanted tips, slanted dual tips at that, and then this will kind of be sticking out. Kind of. Let's see if I can get you guys right. This will be sticking out, kind of like that from the above end. It's actually fixed that spot perfectly. So I don't want to take it out of the plastic yet. Say hello.
Hello.
How you feeling?
I feel good.
Okay. And I'm about to show you something. Okay. Yeah, that's your muffler.
You took it off?
No, he did. Yeah. Look. Yeah, you see this right here? That's where it's broke. That's where it's broken.
Wait, so where's the other part? Isn't it longer than that?
No, that connects from under the car, and then this was the part that was sticking at the end right here.
That was rattly.
Yeah, the hanger is broken.
Is it hot?
Yep, the whole hanger is broken. So, but take a look. Take a look. It's gonna look good?
That was good.
Yeah, for sure. You're excited?
Yeah. I am.
So y'all.
They asked me if I was getting a muffler to leave Like, he was asking me some questions. I didn't know.
I don't know what you're saying. Okay. Y'all, he's gonna go ahead and get this, put it up on the lift. Put it up on the lift right here. As y'all can see. And once we get that taken care of, we'll take some more B-roll for y'all. All right, let's get it. All right, you guys, y'all, so they are just now wrapping up this process, okay, as y'all can see from all the B-roll. All right, y'all, they wrapping up with the process. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, it looks phenomenal. Okay, y'all, it's gonna come out, and you guys, the best part about it, now once we start driving, we ain't gonna have no more rattling, no more vibrating, none of the car. Everything's gonna be good. Okay, y'all, like I said, we taking this 1 week at a time, one step at a time. Okay, if y'all did like this video, y'all already make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. And we're gonna wait for them to pull this thing out, and we're gonna get y'all some B-roll. Y'all, we're probably gonna actually pull up somewhere else, and then once we pull up somewhere else, we'll probably actually take some actual ending video B-roll. So y'all, please make sure y'all stay tuned for that. How you feeling about it?
I feel good. It looks amazing.
Okay, she getting a little bit of Blastpipe experience, and now she feel like she finna.
I am the one.
No, she's not her for real. That's not what.
No,
she not her for real.
We didn't even show them the tag.
Okay,
yeah,
y'all.
I'm her for real.
No, she's not her for real. We'll show you how to tag once we get to another spot, all right? All right, you guys, y'all, so we did just get finished with the Blastpipe, y'all, and I'm not gonna lie, it looks absolutely phenomenal, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, first and foremost, I want to appreciate the Bremo Fab and his employee, all right? I'm not sure, I don't know your name, so if you see this, I'm well found at your name, okay? But you guys, y'all please make sure, if y'all have any type of work that y'all need, fabrication or anything like that, welding, y'all please make sure y'all come to Bremo Fab, okay? As y'all saw at the beginning of the video, y'all know where it's at, okay? Definitely hit him up. He will take care of all your needs, all right? But y'all, they got this Blastpipe looking absolutely great. And it doesn't sound too bad either, y'all. It does not sound too bad. But y'all shall see the Blastpipe here. Sticking out just a little bit, just a little bit. All right, y'all, so the rest of the car will come together. Today, we are here with another stock to static video, as we just did another stock to static video yesterday, okay, where we just got the Blastpipe installed on the Honda, okay, as y'all can see, Honda here, okay, and my car right here as well, okay. Yeah, so we are getting another part installed today on the Civic, and this will probably be like the final body kit part, which are going to end up being the side skirts, okay. We're going to end up basically installing the side skirts, and then at this point we'll have to just get a new trunk. Y'all, we are now cleared for wrap, okay? And you guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm very excited because I'm ready to reveal this wrap. This wrap has been in my closet for about almost a year and a half now. So we decided, and we went through, y'all, when I tell you guys, we went through like 4 different colors trying to get this wrap and pick what color was going for the Civic. So y'all, we finally got the color, okay? Like I said, it will be revealed probably within like the next 3 videos after we get the rest of the stuff done that needs to be done, okay? But like I said, as of today, the side skirts are getting done, okay? Y'all, we're right here. This is the whip here today, okay? But y'all, once we do get those installed, y'all, I'm excited, okay? See you guys next clip. All right, y'all, so we are here with the car, okay? Y'all, the car is finished. How you feeling about it?
I feel good, but I want to go a little lower.
Lower, okay. Anyways, y'all, so I ain't gonna lie. Y'all take a look here. Side skirts have been installed, okay, as y'all can see. And that was on both sides, okay?
So I'm not gonna be able to go low until I get the wheels.
Yeah, you gotta get the wheels first, and then we can look at going lower, okay? But at this point, y'all, as I said before, the only thing left to do, this dent here and the trunk, okay? Once we get this trunk taken care of, this dent here and the trunk, we are now clear for wrap, okay? So at this point, yo guys, I ain't gonna lie, the rest of the car is just about finished. And then, like I said, once we get it finished, then that's it. That's really it. Okay. Color reveal coming soon. Okay. How you feeling about your color?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Y'all not ready though.
Yeah, they not ready. I ain't gonna lie, they not ready. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie. We're finna go ahead and get some B-roll. So y'all already know what to do. It's a little short, little video, nothing too long. But y'all already know what to do. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and your family. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace.